Let's go see what that looks like. Calm down. Oh, they come up all winter. Like they just walk across with the end of one like court when you go all the way down here and around.
Easier to steer than it was before. Don't jump out, baby dog. Good. Did you like that?
I'm gonna do a quick little test before we get into this. I'm gonna make sure everything's good. We gotta pull the other one out yet. So we're gonna get into this one. See what we got. Just a quick test. Sweet. All right. We had to do a little bit of soldering on one of these. One of them was a little bit, one of the wires had pulled out of the pins, so we had to open it back up and do that. Thank God I have all that kind of stuff for doing very, very small electrical because of doing car stuff and a lot of pin wiring and also the train stuff that's in the house. So we're gonna get at this right now. We've got Exhibits Kingmaker on in the background right now, so we're gonna be rolling to some West Coast like we always do. And let's get after it. We're gonna get this baby lit up. We're gonna rock with, we've got the ones right here in the middle. We've got trunk under the front of the hood, both side to side. So that's only a 4-set. The 4-set's gonna go over here into Dad's Merc. That's all we need over there. I'm gonna run the 10-set over here. Probably just keep one in the center, one in the trunk, center, hood. And then I'm gonna light up each wheel well so we can see the wires, because we definitely wanna see these babies. And you definitely want to see that lit up. So that'll give me 8 and that'll leave me 2. So whether or not I decide to put one in around here, around all the gear in the trunk and the racks and everything, whether I light that up because I am finishing this all off this winter, and maybe I'll put one under the hood, or maybe I'll dump one in the interior, which I have plenty of neon all lit up in the interior and LEDs. So we'll see. Maybe I'll just keep it as a backup and a spare. Perfect. Awesome. Okay. Well, that's good. So we're just putting the shocks back in and getting those mounted back in. Everything else is done. Interior's all back in. We got to put the skirts back up and inside. Everything's good. Shout out to our boy. We're good. As soon as that's done in the back end, we're going to get the wheels on it, get this thing dropped on the ground. And it doesn't look like it's raining out right now here at the beach. So we're going to do all this, get the other side on, and then hopefully get it out for a quick little spin here tonight. So go test everything and see how she sounds. Let's do the other side. All right, we've got them in place. That's perfect. We got our wheel chips on. Everything's been curing now, so we're good that way. Wheels are on. Smack the knockoffs. We're definitely getting into the habit of checking that all the time just to make sure. It's been a while since we've had wires, so we're gonna drop this thing down on its wheels, and then we can fire it. And everything else is done. Interior's in, and I've gone all around everything and buttoned some things up. So yeah, it just started raining outside, so I'm not gonna be able to take it for a run here tonight. But we should be able to fire it up anyways and then check everything for some leaks. And should be good. Excited. Can't wait. Another rebirth for Aftermath. It happens over and over again. You just keep moving, keep shaking. And then we're gonna get onto some stuff with this thing here. We gotta move some more stuff out of the garage and get things like that out of here, just with moving and everything. So I'm trying to do some stuff in the house, do some stuff around the yard, and tinker out here whenever I get a chance. We're running out of time for the season, so I want to make sure I can get some driving in. So this was crucial to get this changed. I do have some more plans for the winter here, now that I'm going to have the shop again. But make sure, regulate. Make sure you check out some more videos, and we will catch you in the next one. Cheers, fam.